IQOO has introduced a new device in its Z9 series in China. The lineup comprises of the Z9, Z9X, and Z9 Turbo. The latest offering from the Vivo sub-brand is the IQOO Z9 Turbo Plus. It is the topmost model in the series, although the device only packs a different processor and a larger battery cell. The rest of the specifications and design is the same as the other Z9 series devices. The IQOO Z9 Turbo Plus features a 6.78-inch Walkscene C8 OLED display. It bears a 1.5K resolution with a 144Hz refresh rate and 4,500 nits peak brightness. This ensures a clear, smooth, and bright viewing experience. The screen is integrated with a fingerprint scanner. Design-wise, the smartphone has a flat frame and a squircle camera island on the back panel. It also packs IP65 certification. On the optics front, the dual camera setup on the IQOO Z9 Turbo Plus consists of a 50-megapixel Sony LE600 sensor with OIS support and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. There is a 16-megapixel front-facing selfie snapper. Under the hood, the IQOO Z9 Turbo Plus houses the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor. It packs up to 16GB LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB UFS 4.0 storage. There is the brand's self-developed Q1 chipset for enhanced performance. The device is also equipped with a large 6K VC liquid cooling system on board. The smartphone is powered by a 6,400 mAh battery unit with support for 80-watt fast charging. It ships with Origin OS 4 based on Android 14 out of the box. The IQOO Z9 Turbo Plus packs 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, IR Blaster, NFC, and USB-C port. The IQOO Z9 Turbo Plus is offered in Moonshadow Titanium, Starlight White, Midnight Black colors. It starts at CNY $299 for the base 12GB plus 26GB option, whereas the 16GB 256GB variant costs CNY $299 plus $355. The 12GB plus 512GB and 16GB configurations are priced at CNY $2,699 till $385 and CNY $299 respectively.